Guys, imagine uploading a single photo and watching it come to life. The face starts talking, gestures follow naturally. And in just a few minutes, you have a polished video with voiceover, motion, and style. All from one prompt. No complex tools or endless editing, folks. That's the power of SJinn, your AI creative director.
Yo, I'm Novocaine, cyber brain in motion, code my own glow, no need for devotion. AI on my wrist, future's my mission, unlock the matrix bay, yeah, I'm the vision.
I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. My friends, in this video, we'll examine the possibilities of this platform, from syncing voices to faces and animating photos to building complete branded content. What makes this platform truly game-changing is its ability to maintain character and style consistency across scenes. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's explore how SJinn works and what it has to offer. Friends, today we're diving into a powerful all-in-one AI platform for creating multimedia content fast and effortlessly. Let's start with a quick overview. The platform offers plenty of user cases, from crafting rap music videos to making high-quality game characters. Each example demonstrates the potential of SJinn's models in action. To speed things up, folks, we can pick a ready-made template. These presets are tailored for different content types: character speech for talking avatars, baby podcast for educational clips, and motivational shorts for inspiring stories with consistent personas. I suggest we dig deeper into each user case model to see what exactly they offer. Now guys, let's pick the character speech template. It is perfect for tech review videos. With just a few clicks, the program automatically creates an avatar, syncs the voice, and adds a fitting background. It's time to upload a custom image and add a prompt to give it a voice. I'm using my photo here, folks. The tool opens a chat window, analyzes the image, and builds a step-by-step plan. Finally, the system compiles everything into a polished video. Based on my photo, it created a consistent presenter in a professional setting with natural gestures, animation, and a voiceover. Let's watch it together, guys.
Today, we're diving deep into the latest AI breakthroughs, and let me tell you, it's mind-blowing.
This result looks quite impressive. The character not only resembles me, but also moves naturally, with realistic facial expressions and even hand movements. I'll mark it as excellent. Folks, all the settings can be found under the Tools tab, where you can experiment with each individually. The list of features is huge. You'll find everything from background removal and photo restoration to advanced video generation powered by leading artificial intelligence models. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! There are a lot of models to choose from. Let's try out VO3 text-to-video. I'm going for a sleek humanoid robot in a modern tech lab with smooth camera motion, pro lighting, and an 8-second runtime. After launching the process, it's ready in just a couple of minutes. Let's view the finished version, folks. The outcome is pretty good. Everything I described is there, and the synthetic person really feels alive. Now let's test one of the most visually impressive tools: Image Lip Sync or Photo Talk. This feature allows you to upload a photo and pair it with an audio file to bring the character to life. This is what we got, guys. I wasn't sure at first. How could a voice not my own sound so real? But then I tried Fish Audio, a next-gen platform built not just for voice generation, but for something bigger. Essentially, this feature turns a still picture into a fully animated talking figure, which can be used for creating engaging video content. Folks, let's move on to another tool worth checking out: Image 3D. This module uses advanced neural networks to reconstruct a 3D model from a single photo. I'm uploading a robot image with clear shapes and contrasting colors. Details like depths, joints, and panels help the AI interpret its structure accurately. I launch the generation and give it a moment to complete. Guys, here is the output, a fully formed model of the robot. The details are well defined, the shapes are clear, and the depth effect is noticeable. It's a solid result that shows the potential for quick 3D visualization. Now, folks, let's take a look at another amazing template called Baby Podcast. This workflow demonstrates how AI can build content around the child character. It produces the avatar, syncs facial expressions with the audio, and crafts a polished video. I'll enter a custom prompt and go through these steps one by one. And the system starts with the image prompt generator, folks, to create a child persona, then builds visuals based on the prompt. Next, it adds a voiceover and brings the avatar to life with image lip sync. Guys, the first preview is ready. A baby avatar sits behind a mic with the voice tech logo. A short 9-second script is narrated, and the video is finalized after syncing lips to audio. Let's check it out.
I asked my smart speaker to dim the lights. It ordered me 200 dim sum. Now I'm eating in the dark. But hey, at least I'm not hungry.
It's easy to see how well all these components work together to make a smooth final product. It is an excellent example of how automation and artistic touch can go hand in hand. Friends, let's review one of the most advanced workflows, the motivational short video template. It's a great showcase of game-changing character creation and style consistency. The template helps craft short, inspiring stories with consistent characters, which is a big step for creators building brand IP. Preserving the same look across scenes, it lets you tell a cohesive visual story and build memorable personas. Guys, now let's make a motivational clip on challenges in coding and artificial intelligence, proving how SJinn can generate professional corporate B2B content. The creative process is broken down into 20 steps. First, the system creates a character design and builds several storyboard scenes around it, which are automatically turned into video frames. A detailed script is generated, and then the clean image-to-video tool compiles the recording. Folks, here's our protagonist, Alex. The system uses this design to generate all scenes, available in both Canvas and chat, and with descriptive captions. Finally, it provides a structured summary, covering the video's features, story arc, and more. Let's check out the outcome, guys.
Meet Alex, a brilliant young software developer. For weeks, they've been stuck on a crucial AI. The screen becomes a blurred mess of symbols and errors. Doubt creeps in. But Alex takes a deep breath, remembering why they started. The thrill of innovation.
We can see that every scene features the same character. The storyline flows smoothly. The speech is decent. Subtitles align perfectly with the audio. And this, my friends, is a perfect example of what SJinn calls exponential efficiency and cost disruption. Alright, folks, let's sum it up. Today we explored SJinn's creative tools, from talking avatars and video generation to 3D modeling. It's a flexible solution that turns your ideas into complete multimedia content in minutes. And you no longer need a big team or costly software, guys. Whether you're making content for fun, work, or something in between, this might be your new go-to platform. So don't miss out on it, my friends. Now that you've seen what it can do, what would you use it for? If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.